Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. Today is going to be a special, you can say, episode because for the first time I have reached a 700 score today. So let's begin with today's target. And as always, we'll first remove the comments. And we do not even need any div today. So we can simply remove this. Also here I'll just put plus and star. Now obviously if we have put plus star, then there would also be a star to give the properties. So the only property it will have is the background. So I can simply give this color and I'll remove this curly braces. Now I'll switch on the difference. Okay, also I'll change this to white. As you can see, it is white here. So now we obviously need to give it the location. So I'll give 100 and 100 for now. And maybe it goes around 70. Yeah, 70 is absolutely correct. Now I'll also go with 70 here. Let's increase the height. So 200, 180, 60. Yeah, 160 is correct. But we need to increase this a little bit, maybe 80. Yeah. Now we'll again increase the width. Again 200, 220, 230, 240. 240 is correct. Now we will do a simple thing, which is clip, path, polygon. I'll begin with this corner, the bottom left corner. So obviously it will have a value of 0 and 100%. Now I'll go to this point, which is obviously 0 on the y-axis and 50% on the z-axis. So 50% and 0. Right? Now the third point is going to be this one, which is obviously 100% and 100%. So this is what we have now. Let me show you in the difference. For now we have this. Now as you can see here, that both these points are on the same line. So I will also, you can simply divide this. If you see this hole, you can see that it is quite symmetrical in all ways. So I'll consider this to be 25%, 50% and 25%. So obviously here I can give the value 75% and 100%, comma. And you can, for now you can't see because obviously it isn't properly visible, but just wait a minute. Now I'll give it the value 75% and 0. And now you can see it when I remove the difference. We have got this side pretty much. Now we have to give only two more values, which are obviously I have already told you how I found them. So 25% and 0. Now only this much is left, which simply can be done here. So I'll just write 25% and 100%. And when I submit it, as you can see, it is a 100% match. And it has a 661.18 as a score. Now I will simply remove the extra things which we may not require. Now I'll remove the space wherever it is. and now I'll submit it. And you can see we have a score of 700.43, which is my highest score I have ever achieved on CSSBattle. And the average score is 599.56. And you can see most used properties are transform, position and left, although we used none of them. The way people would have used transform is to create a div, then give it a location by using position absolute or fixed, and then gave a left value, then used a transform to create the structure, and then box reflected it, which can also be done, but this is far efficient and far simpler. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.